Hey guys, I'm Inoshka Moraes and welcome to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's vlog I'm going out with my friend. So come join me. Guys, finally the ferry is moving. We've been waiting for how long? 10-15 minutes.
10 minutes only.
10 minutes only. No patience, but so yeah. We are come to explore some bridge. It looks beautiful, so I'll show it to you all. outside with our raincoat. So I really had an amazing time today, and I really hope you all like my video as well. And if you like this one, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.